Welcome to the enchanting world where every sip is a journey of flavor, aroma, and discovery, the realm of specialty tea blending. Picture a scene where ancient traditions meet modern innovation, where exotic herbs, spices, and botanicals are meticulously curated and artfully blended to create tantalizing brews that captivate the senses and soothe the soul. Now, envision yourself as the master blender behind these exquisite concoctions, crafting bespoke teas that delight the palate and nourish the spirit. If you possess a passion for tea, a discerning palate, and a flair for creativity, embarking on a specialty tea blending business could be your ticket to a thriving enterprise that celebrates the timeless allure of this beloved beverage. Launching a venture in this dynamic and diverse industry requires more than just a love for tea. It demands expertise, experimentation, and a strategic approach to business development. The first step is to define your niche and establish a unique identity in the competitive market. Consider what sets your specialty tea blends apart from mass-produced varieties and how you can leverage quality ingredients, innovative flavor profiles, and artisanal craftsmanship to create a distinctive brand. Whether it's signature blends inspired by cultural traditions, wellness-focused teas infused with healing herbs, or whimsical concoctions that ignite the imagination, carving out a niche will help you attract tea enthusiasts who crave authenticity, quality, and innovation in their tea experience. Once you've defined your niche, it's crucial to hone your craft and perfect your blending skills. Invest in high-quality tea leaves, herbs, spices, and botanicals sourced from reputable suppliers to ensure freshness, purity, and flavor consistency. Experiment with different flavor combinations, infusion techniques, and brewing methods to create a diverse range of teas that cater to various tastes, moods, and occasions. Whether it's traditional loose-leaf teas, handcrafted tea bags, or ready-to-drink bottled brews, strive to create blends that not only tantalize the taste buds but also evoke a sense of pleasure, relaxation, and well-being with every sip. In the age of e-commerce, establishing a strong online presence is essential to reaching your target audience and driving sales. Invest in creating a professional website that showcases your specialty tea collections, highlights your blending expertise, and tells the story behind your brand. Utilize captivating photography, detailed product descriptions, and educational content to engage with your audience, convey the unique characteristics of each blend, and inspire curiosity and excitement. Additionally, leverage social media platforms and online marketplaces to expand your reach, interact with tea enthusiasts, and cultivate a loyal following of customers who share your passion for tea. As a specialty tea blender, fostering a sense of community and connection with your customers is crucial to building brand loyalty and driving repeat business. Host virtual tea tastings, workshops, and educational events where enthusiasts can learn about different tea varieties, brewing techniques, and flavor profiles while connecting with like-minded individuals. Offer subscription services that allow customers to receive curated selections of teas regularly, providing them with an ongoing source of discovery and enjoyment. By creating opportunities for engagement and interaction, you can cultivate a loyal following of tea aficionados who eagerly await your latest blends and eagerly share their tea experiences with others. In addition to direct-to-consumer sales, explore partnerships with cafes, restaurants, specialty shops, and hotels to expand your distribution channels and reach new markets. Collaborate with chefs, mixologists, and wellness practitioners to create custom tea blends that complement their menus, enhance their offerings, and cater to their clientele's tastes and preferences. Consider offering private labeling and white labeling services for businesses and organizations looking to create their own branded teas, allowing you to extend your reach, generate additional revenue streams, and establish yourself as a trusted partner and supplier in the industry. As you navigate the intricacies of starting a specialty tea blending business, remember that success is not solely measured by profit margins but by the joy and satisfaction your blends bring to tea enthusiasts around the world. Whether it's the sense of serenity that comes from savoring a soothing cup of herbal tea, the burst of energy and vitality derived from a revitalizing green tea blend, or the moments of connection and camaraderie shared over a pot of fragrant chai, your teas have the power to nourish the body, uplift the spirit, and forge lasting memories. Embrace the journey ahead with passion, creativity, and dedication, knowing that each blend you create is a testament to the artistry, craftsmanship, and timeless allure of specialty tea.